Without the use of modules, Joomla web pages would consist of a single article stretched across the entire width of a page. This isn't an ideal layout in terms of readability, legibility, or search engine optimization. Instead, breaking content up into smaller sections makes it more attractive and readable, and also easier to be located by a search engine. However, as you've seen, it's easy to enhance your layouts by adding modules to set positions in your template. Now that you're more familiar with the Joomla default modules and how they're used and positioned on a page, let's modify the layout of your pages by adding a new module. So far, we've only worked with the modules that are installed with your sample data. Let's add a new module to your site using the custom HTML module element. So from the Joomla backend, click on Extensions Module Manager, and let's add a new module by clicking on the New button in the upper left-hand corner. In this familiar dialog, scroll down to the C area, Custom HTML. Click on the link there. That brings up the module Custom HTML Editor. Let's go ahead and add some text and a photo to this module. The great thing about this module is its flexibility and utility. With this module, you can add any kind of text to any module position in your template. So I'm going to go ahead and scroll to the bottom of the editor and click on the Image button. And then double-click on the Learn Image folder that you set up with your sample data. You should now see the Sedona1.jpg photo that you uploaded into your media library in that lesson, along with any other photos you added to this folder for your homepage article. Click on the Sedona1 image. Make sure that the correct image name is here in the image URL field. Add an image description and an optional image title if you wish. And then from the top of the dialog, click on the Insert button to insert that photo into the module. Photo is a bit big, so click on the photo and then click on the Insert Edit Image icon at the top of the editor. Make sure that Constrain Proportions is checked, and then put a value in here somewhere around 150, 180, 200. Then click OK. Click off of the image, press the Enter Return key, and now let's go ahead and add some text. I've prepared some text ahead of time by copying it into my text editor. I'm going to select it and then choose from the top of the editor Format, Make Plain Text. The key is you want this to be plain text. You want to remove any rich text formatting so we can format it with our template. Once you have simple text, go ahead and copy or cut it back in the editor. Paste it in. There's my text. There's my photo. Let's go ahead and provide a title for this module. Now use the Position drop-down menu on the right of the editor to set your custom module to the left position 8 of the Protostar template. Let's not show the title for this one, so although I have a title here to kind of identify it for me, let's go ahead and hide the title. And now click the Save button to save our work. And let's preview the changes by clicking on the link up here, the Preview Learn Joomla link up in the upper right-hand corner. So here you can see my new module in the left position in the template with my photo on top and my text underneath. If you browse to the Page 1 link here using the main menu, you'll notice that your new module also appears on this page. However, it looks awkward as the photo in the module is the same as the photo in the article. Let's use the Module Assignment drop-down in the Menu Assignment tab of the editor to fix this. So back in my editor here, click on the Menu Assignment link. Here, rather than choosing all pages, let's just do only on the pages selected. Let's select None here using that handy tool to deselect everything. Now let's only assign that module to the home page and not page 1 so we don't duplicate those photos. Save your work. Go back to your browser and refresh the browser. And notice here on page 1 that module is no longer there. However, it is there on the home page. Congratulations, you've successfully created a new module, placed it in a module position, and then used the menu selection dialog to set which pages of your site the module should appear. Adding modules to your pages is only one way to rework your page layouts. You can also change your default template This not only gives you new and different module positions, but will give your site an entirely new look and feel. Let's move on to the next lesson and learn more about Joomla templates.